Welcome to Interview Tip from Experts. Here, we have a 5-minute chat with a chosen industry leader from hospitality. I ask them a question or two to help you with an important tip to be better prepared when you apply for a role. Today, we have Hemant Gupta, General Manager of Holiday Inn Express, Kolkata. Hemant has been in the hospitality business for nearly 2 decades. He's a great mentor, coach, and trainer at heart. Welcome, Hemant.
Thank you, Vasu. Good to be here.
Great. Hemant, how long have you been a recruiter?
Well, my exposure to interviewing candidates actually started way back in 2006. However, as a tour recruiter, it has almost started a decade ago when I was a part of a pre-opening team to launch the Hyatt Place brand, which is a select service model of Hyatt in India. Because it's a select service brand, selecting candidates was a tough job, but also an interesting one.
Okay, so two interesting things which I find here that intrigues me to ask you more. One is the select service part, and that the selection was tough. Can you first elaborate more on the select service part?
So, well, in the first phase of my career, I worked with luxury hotels and full service hotels like the Taj, Leela, and the Hyatt Regency. So, working in select service was typically a game changer for me. When I moved in, I actually loved this model. It's efficient, cuts the frill, straight into business, gives what customer needs, and more money to the bottom line. Additionally, it's exceptionally fast when we talk about the learning model. Select service is fast paced. And typically, a select service hotel operates at a manning strength of 0.3 as a manning ratio. So what happens is the associate also learns thrice at the speed compared to a full service hotel. So for example, when we talk about a full service hotel, front desk associate typically needs at least 10 months to a year to go behind the desk to do a night audit. But when we look at a select service model, associate right from scratch can be behind a desk doing a night audit in a matter of 3 months. So that's how fast it is. When we talk about from a food and beverage angle, like whatever a supervisor or ARM does in the first year, when we talk about from a PNL understanding perspective, a restaurant manager only learns it once he becomes a restaurant manager. Because I've been on the both sides of the table, so I know how learning and how fast the pace is. So working in select service actually is not everyone's cup of tea. Somebody has a real will to get into this model.
Great. So tell us how. Tell us now that why is the selection tough? Is there a different kind of skill set required for select service hotels?
No, actually, absolutely not. Actually, we don't need a skill set. It requires a mindset which actually a lot of hotel management college graduates essentially do not have, with no fault of theirs. It's because of the education system. We come from a very cookie cutter approach of just sticking to a department. I want to only become a front office manager or a F&B manager. That is what they have seen during their trainings. They can't see more than their department. And I get candidates who only say, I will only work for front office or F&B, etc. Even when they are not ready for it. I've seen people who have joined food and beverage and moved into sales, or joined front office, moved into housekeeping. So do not know what they actually want. So it's too early. So we need a right mindset to work in this model.
So Hemant, what kind of a mindset do you look at?
The mindset that we really look at is somebody open-minded. Someone not with a very straight blinker that I only want to move in this direction. Because when somebody is with a blinker, he's not coachable. So we look at people who can be coached, who are inspired, want to take challenges, want to do something big in life, okay, and want to try out new things. Okay, do not shy away from things. So that is what kind of personality that we look at for these hotels.
Okay, and how do you find that out? Is there any kind of interview tips that you want to share with if somebody really wants to work in select service model? And you have said that the learning is 3 times faster. So give us that one tip.
Well, Mausam, there are numerous select service hotels in India, and every general manager has their own way of deriving who's a right fit. However, one tip that I want to share would be that be honest with what you say and only say what you really mean and do, because the integrity is the main thing. And that's the one thing that I do in interview with every candidate. be it associate or a manager. And what I mean by that is, if you're not honest, then you get caught. So I'll share a very simple example. Is once I was interviewing a DOS for the hotels, for my hotel, and I asked him, what is your real hobby and passion? So he says, I like playing chess. Brilliant. Why do you play chess? So it helps me strategize. I always like to plan ahead. I want to, because I'm in sales, I would want to know what is a customer question is he going to ask, and so that I can prepare myself. So I was very impressed by the answers that he gave. And so I asked him the next question, that how many rooms do I have in this hotel and what is the size of my rooms? And then there was a blank face. So that is where they get caught, because if you really are someone who is saying such things and not actually following it in real life, then you don't mean what you say. And the second thing that I do is I never look at CVs. Other than people who report to me directly, I don't look at CVs, because when you look at CV, then it clouds my thoughts. If somebody working from a great background hotel, be it for a Taj or a Leela or a Oberoi or a Hyatt or anyone, then you get into a feeling that he can already be a great candidate. So I don't look at CVs. I talk to people and understand by asking them questions. That's my way. So sticking to what you do and what you say is the most important.
Thank you, Hemant, for this tip, and I'm sure this will be very, very useful. Remember, honesty is non-negotiable when you are describing yourself, your passion and achievements. You may think of making up some amazing answers to try and impress the recruiter, but if you do not preach the same in real life, you will stumble even without realizing what has hit you. Hemant also shared some great insights on the business philosophy of select service hotels. Do keep that in mind when you're preparing to apply in these hotels. See you in the next round of interview tip with experts next week. Be mindful, stay happy, and thank you very much, Hemant. Thank you.